Good news for 2026 BECE and WASSCE candidates. WhatsApp platform is creating annually edema candidate. Now, omutimi join no musua dey solve past questions. Now, so ebedu BECE and now WASSCE time. Now, bibia tima koyi. Now, omutimi trust no more church exam. So then bibia koyi na busua. This year's platform is created, and then most of the candidates, have been calling, texting, asking me when are they going to, get involved in this year's own. Babushia Sabri. Mr. Dominic Akwasi Anti, CEO of Usiok Academy, what me with the platform no Sabri Kofu will be joining. To make sure say if you want to join the platform as we do for candidates annually, this year's own is has begun. To make sure say you join the platform on WhatsApp by the number that is being written in my bio. Go to my tap on my bio and you see the number over there. Take the number, test the number on WhatsApp, or you can call the number for more inquiries, for details, for information, for anything that you want to ask about the WhatsApp platform. You will get the information from the tutor. Now, update TV because be an you understand the some when say a legit platformer candidate or pass it through Usiok Academy Biano, they will attest to the fact say they were able to pass their exam successfully. So this year's own is what I am announcing to you guys. So if you want to join, make sure to join. Last year there are two candidates in the been to na even to so we are for now. Make sure to also take this number, call the number na fa obano ka group no so be no na ne nwoma suya na ebeto akoso akon kankan na be kama Hi Kama Studios. Anything that drops we'll bring it to you on this platform. Hi Kama Studios, Kama Edu. Don't forget to follow this page for more news and more updates for your education and more of quantity creative. We are finally out. Yeah.